Welcome to a new video. This time I bring you a new super method with which you will be making money easily in a fairly simple way. The truth is that it is a method that you could even automate, which will be generating hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The truth is that it is a realistic method with which you can get some but believe me when I say very good income, I do recommend that you watch the full video so that you can see all the information and not miss a single detail, since there are quite important points that you have to see in order to maximize your profits. The first thing we are going to do is come to Google. Here we are going to search for CPA networks. In fact, you can find a lot. I am only going to be giving you a basic example. For example, we could use CPA Grip, but you can start looking for any CPA network, and well, it is a CPA network. Well, it is a click per action or click pro action network where people are going to be earning money, or in this case, you and I are going to be earning money every time an action is performed on the page. Now we are going to log into this page, which is quite well designed, and the truth is that it has very good tools to maximize your profits. Registration is very simple for this. You click here to register, and with a series of fairly simple data, you will be able to register. As you see, it is only this series of data. But well, in my case, I am going to simply log in. Now once inside, another window appears. Or less like it is here, we see a chat Mia with manager, and well, the account is really new, so let's start. As you see here, we need to earn at least $25 to be able to participate in the chat, but since the account is new, well, you're really going to have an inconvenience at least at the beginning, but believe me, in a fairly simple way with this method, you will be able to get some very good dollars. Now we are going to come to this section to be able to choose the best offers and offer tools, and my offers here, you will be able to find lots of offers available depending on the country where you are. As you see, in Mexico, we have several opportunities. Although you can, for example, search from the United States of Canada or even in the country where you reside. As you see, there are a lot of offers available. We even have for Venezuela, which although it is much more limited, the profits are lower. There are also opportunities here, but really this method, being able to do it globally, the truth is that you can find opportunities from wherever you want. Let's search, for example. Here is the United States. What are the offers that are going to be most profitable? Be paying. As you see here, you can click here on payout to accommodate those who are paying more. For example, here you will be earning $2 for each action that is carried out, and the only thing you have to do would be, for example, get people to register their email, and just like that, we are going to be getting the $2, which keep in mind that, for example, there are $2 for each email that we have already gotten. Now a single email, you say there are $2, it is not much. Keep in mind that with this method, what I'm going to show you, not only are you going to be getting one a day, you could be getting 10, 20, 30, or even 100. Already in 100 emails that you have gotten in one day, we will be talking about $200 in an automated way. If you heard correctly, in an automated way with this method. Now to be able to register it, we are going to click here, and as you see here is our link with which we are going to be able to get the profits. Now we are going to the next step. Now, yes, we are going to come to sites. Google remembers that you have the links in the description so that you can access this page easily. And as you see here, you can see the classic version of the site designer, or here you can choose, for example, a template. Let's click here on project to create our new project. Quite simply, as you see here, a header appears, a little bit of information appears, and this appears in Spanish, but we are going to change it to English because obviously our offer is in English. Now we can base our site, for example, on information like extra, that it is free samples, and in fact you can open the page to see how it works and all the information in detail, although you can also do it with this free samples preview. Now here we are going to put the start secret. This, you are going to put free samples. Here you can change this part of the description, for example wind, and we can also change this background without any problem, although you can also change, for example, how the design is and so on. Here, as you see, the image option appears. We can give it, for example, select to choose between the different options that we have, or you can upload yours through a URL, and we are going to return to our website or our project. And now you could simply open the image and, for example, arrange this look. There it is. Here you can change the color of the text if you want it that waveform, and you can start editing each of these parts or even delete a part completely. Look, as you see, there is no problem. We can delete this, and we can even extend this and this other. As you see, everything has already been expanded. Now here we can add different images to be able to maximize the number of clicks that we will be getting in order to achieve very good profits. I say you can search, for example, for more images of free samples. Oh look, here is this one. It would put us quite well here. We could simply click on opening the image in a new tab. open the image, and we don't even need to download it anymore. Now here we click on upload or select image. If we click here on select image, we can search here by link. There it is. We click on insert image. We can enlarge this. There it is, and look, it even comes to us with the text. We are going to give free yellow samples here, and we can enlarge this. We are going to give it something like this, or even make it much larger. We are going to enlarge this a little more, and you are going to put it here, for example. Win today, we are going to enlarge this. And the truth is that, as you realize, it is a fairly simple way to do it. Here we can change this or remove it, and we can move this button here, this button. For example, we can put win today, and here in this part of linking our CPA link will go. A grip, let's click here on copy, and as you see, it's already been copied to us. Now we're going to return here. We click on update, and that's it. In fact, you can put it in different parts. We're going to remove these that are not relevant, and for example, we could remove this from here, which in fact is not even going to be seen. There it is here. You can add another one like this, or even the image. Here you can add information, although it really is nothing relevant. And ready, we have our website. Now if we click here on publish, and here, for example, we put our domain name, we can put, for example, free Gelo samples, and as you can see, it is available. We click here to publish and perfect. Now our page is accessible from any browser, and that's it. Now when people search, for example, for free, what look samples will appear. This page with which people will be able to register to get their free sample of cereal. This is just one of the examples. In fact, you can do this with all these pages that appear here. The truth is that there are very good opportunities, which will be paying you quite well. Without a doubt, it is a super simple method which you can replicate over and over and over again in order to maximize your earnings. Now there is something that you have to take into account if you start recommending your pages. For example, if you do it in Facebook groups, through Quora questions, or through forums, you could get a lot of traffic for your links with which you can maximize your profits, which obviously means more benefits for you. Without a doubt, it is a method which you can carry out in a fairly simple way. Basically, with a few clicks, you will be able to be getting very good amounts of money. We would be talking about hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month. So go ahead, have a lot of success, and start earning. And as you see, we have different options in case you want to do it. For example, for Android, for iOS, or for computer. See you in the next video. Until next time.